my name is Brian and this is my good deed. So I was out at this homeowner's house conducting my furnace tune-up, and very nice older lady. I went ahead and I was removing the blower motor. I was gonna do my usual tune-up and just clean it, and I noticed that the homeowner was baking cookies inside. I saw that she was struggling with her oven, and usually when I see a homeowner struggling, that's when I step in there and initiate, a helpful hand, and I say, we do offer good deeds for free. It says it right on our van, and they're usually like, oh really? Like, yes, let me help you out with that. So that's what initiated the good deed for free, and she was very happy. So I went ahead and I opened the oven for her. I took the plate of cookies, chocolate chip that she was making, and I put it in the oven. I got the same type of oven at my home, and I went ahead and I helped her start baking the cookies. It was really fun. Normally at home I do bake a lot of chocolate chip cookies specifically, so I use my oven a lot, and cookies always come out good. It made me feel really good. So I'm always the type of person to give a helpful hand, and it just comes naturally to me. And I've done a lot of good deeds for other homeowners, and I have a lot of good deeds stories, I like to say.